Hello, my dear students. Welcome you all in my next class. And here I've taken the second chapter, The Tiger King by Kalki. And here I've taken the examples of literary devices like irony and humor. So, dear students, let's start. In the very beginning, you will find many humorous titles conferred onto the king, the Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram, which make you laugh. Secondly, where the author gives the example of Stuka Bomber when he is desperate to tell the story of the death of the king, Tiger King. That is also very humorous. There he tells that he will definitely tell the story. No force in this world can discourage him from telling the story, not even the Stuka Bomber. And this is very ironical and humorous. Dear students, at the very sight of a bomb, human being will die out of fear. Then the third example is on the prediction of the astrologer when a 10-day-old baby started challenging him, that too in a very thunderous voice. Usually, a 10-day-old baby can only cry, laugh, not more than this. Then, next example is of the bringing up of prince. When the author says that he was taught by and he was brought up by an English nanny, he was taught by an English tutor, and he was given the milk of English cow. Then this is the example of humor. Then again humorous example when the celebration time came for the tigers and when king restricted the public not to even threaten it. Another example when author talks about mouse hunt, boar hunt, mosquito hunt, when a British officer came to demand hunting a tiger, and the Tiger King refused by saying all these huntings are allowed but not a tiger hunt. And then when author says that tiger population came to a halt before marrying the princess of another kingdom, and a tiger talks humorously by saying as if the tigers opted for birth control or they have done harakari. Harakari means suicide. And again when Diwan came and babbled in a humorous manner, my lord, I am not a tiger or a princess. And then when sheep started disappearing, this reference of Khadir Mia Sahib and Visami Naikar was given. My dear students, can human beings swallow the sheep? Never. So this is the example of irony and humor. And then see, can a human being dare to go near the tiger? And here Diwan had brought a tiger at his home. But an impossible situation is given. And then humorous and impossible. When Tiger King went for hunting and the old tiger just sat in humble supplication as if requesting, is it possible? And then another is hunters were hiding the reality of the tigers being alive from the king. That is also not possible. Another is this actually second line of the 9th point is the example of irony, and 10th point is also the example of irony, and then 11th point is also the example of irony, and 12th is also the example of irony. How? Because all these are quite opposite to what is expected. So dear student, this is all in this video. We'll meet again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.